How to log into Lloyds Bank online banking. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into your Lloyds Bank online banking account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to basically log into your Lloyds Bank online banking account, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is first of all just go to lloydsbank.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you come to lloydsbank.com, you will see this type of interface where if you want to log on to your internet banking, right on the right hand side you'll find log on to internet banking for personal and business. So depending upon what you like, you can just go ahead and select your personal account in this case, and over here on the next specific page you will be able to go ahead and then basically actually enter your user ID and password, and if your details are correct you can click the continue option and then you'll get successfully logged in. Now in case your details are not correct and then you just happen to forget them, it is also very simple to reset them as well. In order to reset them, what you have to do is over here you can see remember my user ID or forgotten your login details. You can tap on forgotten your login details, verify the transactions and everything else after this, and then you'll be able to also go ahead and then reset your password. This way you'll be able to log into Lloyds Bank online banking accounts. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.